this is probably going to be the first video that I'm going to be posting, so to any of you that are watching, do let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. I'm planning on doing a lot of driving, so a lot of POVs videos just like this one. Could be talking about something specific about the car or other cars. I also have experienced quite a few other cars, so could also be doing some comparisons. I do plan also on doing some days in the life with an M240i with the B58 engine, probably talking a bit about fuel consumption, talking a bit about this car too, because it has a few mods done to it, not too much, just a few, so I do plan on doing something regarding that. I think it can be interesting for anyone else who's got an M240i and is comparing it to this one. It's probably going to see a bit of a difference if it is stock, of course. So we can do something like that for sure. I think so. Before we actually start the small bit of pass that we're going to do, let me show you guys how this little piece of machinery looks from the outside. So don't think about it too much. It is pretty dirty, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. You just can't have the car clean when it's just raining and then it stops raining and it's raining again and again and again. So yeah, this is my BMW M240i, and I got it pretty recently, actually, like less than 3 months ago. So far it's been amazing to have this. A lot of different experiences, and yeah, the back end just, it looks great, don't get me wrong, but it's just really filthy. So yeah, that's a bit of a shame. But yeah, let's get started. Let's do this mountain pass. So let's get going then. One thing that I've noticed is that it on Sport Plus mode, so it still has a little bit of traction on. It actually grabs really well. I mean, the back tires are pretty new, I'm not gonna lie. It's the Michelin PS5s, so they're not a bad tire, but they still grab like really nicely, honestly. I was genuinely not expecting it to hold on like this, but I mean, it is Sport Plus, it isn't like DFC off, so that probably makes sense. These roads are absolute trash. Okay, I hope you guys can hear the engine, and let's just get on with this. is a lot more fun during the summer, or at least when the road's not wet. You can really push this. This is basically the first part of the pass. Then we need to cross a small village up front, and once we do, we're going to have a little bit more corners to go through, or I can just turn around. It's also an option. I really like this part of the pass though. I used to do this a lot when I was younger, and I just ended up loving the road completely. Although this part of the road is, yeah, it's not not the best, to be honest. My GPS isn't exactly working properly, and I haven't done this part of the road in a long time, so I won't be pushing too hard. Actually so fast, Jesus, it's ridiculous. Like it's for me, it's at the sweet point, honestly, but just enjoy it so much. This is pretty much the end of the fun part. I think from here on now, I think we're going to get a lot of traffic, so it's not going to be as fun. Maybe not, I don't know. Alright, I've stopped just a little bit before heading back home, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I for sure did enjoy it a little bit, and yeah, just let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see. If you guys would like to know what mods I've done to the car, or how the purchase was, if I actually was thinking about buying other cars, so I can talk about that as well. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think in the comments, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and see you next time.